copy with both. Let's go, exotic bold. They put a logo, none on you, but they won't double no. You told me trouble, you getting right. You wanna blow, you don't get renite. So you want some scratch on me, typical life. So you wanna get paid, you wanna get a license. 18, 4K, got slow, walk it out, still got these shades, even do it ain't like it. A little pay piss, too hard, that's cold. XRT with a Draco tank, got a little boy way, can't sleep at night.
Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. This week's video, we're in Steele, Alabama. There's a little truck meet going on up here. Me and Jordan decided to come out. There's Jordan right there. Just got some gas station food because I know they're gonna be taxing. We're about 2 seconds away from it.
We got a long drive.
Yeah, we got a long drive across the street to the drag strip. So make sure y'all subscribe, 7K before the end of this month. Turn on that notification bell so y'all don't miss an upload. Like the video so it pushes it out there. Go watch Jordan's video on his wheels if you haven't. And yeah, let's get over there and see what's going on. That boy wanna be me. You wanna be me? Not my setup, but too close. What's going on?
Austin, how'd you sign this thing?
Yo, what the hell? I didn't do that.
That's a different
That was
that's
different
the other one. That's the other one.
From North Carolina. I had to put my stamp on it real quick. Yeah, I seen this earlier.
Is that a country rough?
It's a country roof kit. Oh my god, dude.
It's really good.
I don't know if this is allowed on YouTube. This is kind of sensual. Oh my god. This smacking. This is crazy.
So we are out here at Steel Truck Meet, guys.
Yeah.
Eating
And
Pizza?
we're eating pizza.
Let's see
And
it.
this place is
Nice.
full of interesting vehicles, like this Yukon sitting behind us.
Okay. Oh wow.
Watch out for the go-kart coming on.
Watch out for this guy. He'll beat the box for sure. Yep, there he goes. That's his mating call.
I'm tired of living in Alabama.
Yeah. Big slider, dude.
This ride was hell.
Hey, what?
This ride was hell.
5 hours?
No.
What, how long?
3
4?
hours. I probably drove 4 hours.
4? God almighty. What time did y'all leave?
Well, my fucking brake line busted. I put a factory brake line on.
Oh, I bet it's tight.
See, it's not even in the bracket.
Oh, that's how tight it is.
No, it ain't bad.
Oh my God.
No, bro. That also happened on the way here.
What have you done?
What did
Oh
you
my
hit?
God. Oh my God.
Holy
You gotta be kidding me, dude. This is why we can't have truck meets, bro. He said do it then. There's a dude on the floor. They fighting, bro. Somebody tell me what happened, bro.
I ain't got a damn clue.
Mr. obs.austin,
What
somebody
happened?
was talking shit and it just got handled. That's what happened.
Huh. Well, he left his hat. Garrett. Garrett Pace there. I love this truck, dude. Oh, there we go. Oh, he don't. Raven, get over here. Get over here.
Get him, Oliver!
Yep, slam. Slam.
There we go.
Get your ass in on. Get up. Get up. Get up. Come on. Both of you's gone.
Didn't even land a punch, cause they ain't even land a punch.
Oh my God. What was that even over? Dang, look at the rides. Look at the whips.
I want to be in the truck on it.
Turn it back up. bumper got blown off, dude. Holy. Oh my god.
Oh, he's hitting the fuck out that
What the hell?
Damn. I gotta replace the hood anyways and the fender, so I don't give a fuck.
I think it's so badass. Yeah.
Bands will make her dance. All these chicks poppin' pussy. I'm just poppin'.
Her stomach getting hot ass out. I'm fighting the ones they pass.
It's on the smoke!
Brand new Gucci bag with a box.
It needs an oil change, okay? It's good one.
He's responding to the comments before they comment.
He knows what the comments gonna say already.
All right, we're gonna see who wins this. Who's gonna win it, bro?
One-handed.
Who's gonna win this, huh?
Me. As if he's driving.
Yeah, you're gonna win, bro. You're gonna win.
I'm in the winning side.
Hey, you better beat him.
What are you doing?
Oh my. Absolutely pitiful. Absolutely pitiful. You jumped and you suck.
Look, I jumped, but I bet my YouTube channel I got him this time easy.
All right.
I
Your
bet
YouTube
10K
channel.
so.
You gotta give it to me if
We're
you
gonna
lose.
do a giveaway YouTube channel.
All right. You better not lose then. 16.6 and 17.6. Where's the whole placard, dude? You got best truck show, best show truck.
Bro, you got
Let's see your prize, dude.
The fucking trophy guys.
Wow.
Shoulder back, shoulder back.
Wow. How excited are you, buddy? Are you coming back?
Yeah.
Jordan Seals. Jordan Seals.
That's who his name is.
This is Johnny.
Jordan
Johnny.
Seals.
I remember him.
He's gonna have a trophy.
What?
He's gonna have a trophy.
That's his
For
trophy right
having
there,
the
brother.
cleanest cat-eyed Chevrolet
Cat-eyed
that
Chevrolet.
I've ever seen in my life.
That's a cat-eye Chevrolet, isn't it?
Yeah, a cat-eyed
Chevy.
Chevrolet.
Cat-eyed
Somebody's
Chevy.
got Fox shocks on it
Show
Ooh.
and big ass wide wheels.
Show enough.
Big
And
Somebody's
two
right
inch.
here. Hey,
And the chrome FD.
I don't care
gotta
if
have
I have to go to jail
All right.
to get
Hey.
these motherfuckers to
Hey.
notice him. He's gonna be noticed.
Oh wow.
You, OBS Austin,
Yeah.
Jordan Seals. Have a safe trip back to Jasper. Finna go meet up with a Tinder chick. Let's go! OBS Austin with his OBS Chevrolet over here. Look at that bitch.
Where's that? Where's
Hey, it's over there beside Jordan's truck.
It is. It is.
Man, and that bitch is so bad. Look, this man right here, let me tell you something. This man right here, he is on to something good, okay? Got that big old mud tires on it. That bitch is bad. Yeah, hell yeah. Austin does. OBS Austin on Instagram. obs.austin. That motherfucker right there. Hey, follow him on Instagram. He's got something good cooking up. Hey, OBS Austin right here. obs.austin on Instagram. Look at them. He's got graphs on that thing.
That is.
They
Yeah.
got the burnout competition going. This is
do.
at Steel Truck Meet on Crump Drive. OBS Austin at the meet right now.
I'm at the meet. I'm here.
You see all this smoke right here?
Dude, that's a lot of freaking smoke, dude.
OBS Austin out here at the fucking truck show. He is showing us what a clean ass OBS looks like. You see this Toyota Tundra? He ain't got shit on it. brakes right there and you burn some damn tires off, boy. Old man just did a burnout. He's finna race nobody. He's finna race nobody. But he's finna win anyway.
He is finna win.
He's finna win nobody.
Win nobody.
He's finna race against himself and win. Burn the hell out of them tires, son! Woo!
What is it? 15.5. All right, guys, it's been a couple hours. Meat kind of died out. Still had some fun. Kind of crazy though. I was about to trade a dude today. I just got these wheels and I was about to trade a dude tonight for some 26s. About to trade for 26s, and this drunk guy at the show didn't approve of the idea and got really mad, and we almost got in a fight with this dude. I don't know. I would have traded him tonight, but the dude was being a problem. I don't understand. So yeah. That's it for this video. Hope there was enough that went on. Struck me, it wasn't huge. And I have to add this in here. This was not me and Jordan's meet. All we did was make a flyer and post it. Our meets are definitely bigger and a lot better, and we actually have real awards. Jordan won Best of Show. I don't know if I'll put that in the video because their Best of Show award was 4 tickets to get in free for the next truck meet. I'm not coming back, so that really wasn't a trophy. If I would have got that, I would have been really mad because that's kind of ridiculous.
This was not our show. We did not host this show.
Yeah, that's
our
what I
next
told
show
him.
will be a whole lot better. Please do not associate this show to us. Thank you.
Yeah, we are not associated with that, so don't think that, oh, Jordan and Austin, that show was horrible they hosted last time, because no, our last show was bigger than this show. And that's not to toot my own horn, that's facts. Yeah, I still had fun. Bet a bunch of y'all out there had fun with a bunch of friends. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. All right, so make sure you guys like the video, push it out there to other people, subscribe. Trying to hit 7K for the end of this month. We're gonna do it this month. What are these guys doing? Subscribe, hit 7K this month. Like the video, push it out there. Comment what you guys thought about this video. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss an upload. Make sure you do all the stuff I said, and we'll see you next week. My ears are popping. What the f? There's tears in my eyes. You see it?